Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix app crashes in Amazon Photos. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you are experiencing crashes with the Amazon Photos app in your device, here's how you can address it. First, ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. Amazon Photos require a consistent connection to function properly. If you're on mobile data, check that the app is permitted to use it. Next, verify that your Amazon Photos app is up to date. An outdated app can lead to unexpected issues. Visit the Google Play Store and check for any available updates for Amazon Photos. Then try reinstalling the app. Close Amazon Photos completely and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. If the issue persists, clear the app's cache. Go to your device's setting, navigate to apps or applications, then find Amazon Photos and select the storage option. From there, tap on Clear Cache. This can help remove any temporary files that might be causing the app to crash. After that, sign out of your Amazon Photos account and sign back in. This can refresh your session and clear any underlying issues. Finally, if none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Amazon Photos app. This can help resolve any corrupted files or settings causing the problem. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.